Hey guys, it is Jerry from Jerry's Auto World, and what we have here is a yard full of K5 Blazers and AMC Eagle all-wheel drive cars. And I'm going to show you what we just purchased over here. We're going to clean all these cars out of the yard. It's going to take us a little while, but I just want to show you the selection of cars that we have here. It's pretty. So first we have this trailer we need to remove. We took one Chevy Blazer out here already, so it's an 87 Blazer right here. And here's a K5 Blazer, actually a GMC Jimmy. Actually, it started right up. We put air in the tires. It's been sitting here for about 20 years, but it cranked over and started. Then there's a Eagle SX4 Sport. There's a box truck back there. We gotta remove the cement mixer here too. Then we have a Chevy Blazer here that needs to be removed. It's a full yard full of Chevys and AMC Eagles, another SX4 buried. Yamaha motorcycle, another motorcycle there. Get this Jimmy running. We got it running. AMC. There's a Chevy K5 Blazer. If anybody's interested in any of the vehicles, please call me at 631-885-1988. Again, 631-885-1988. This was like a mud boggin racing one. And then you have another AMC Eagle back here with a K5 Blazer here. The only restoration right here, you have a Silverado. They've been sitting back here all between 20 and 30 years. We just purchased them all. And here's another K5 Blazer with flames. But these things have all been sitting here. So if anybody's interested in any of these vehicles, they're located in Long Island, New York. We're going to pull them out, put them in the storage area. That's the AMC Eagle wagon right there, which is pretty cool. They all ran when they were parked, and we're getting each one running. The 87 little Blazer we got running and cleaned it up, and it's working pretty well now. My friends are driving it. But anybody need a cement mixer? And all these cars are loaded to the max with just stuff. Everyone is fully loaded with lights and parts, and it's just crazy. But it's gonna be a project. See, just K5 Blazer. Nice seats. It's got 102,000 miles on it, but it is loaded with stuff, guys. With original AC Delco parts, spark plug wires. Look at this wire set. Cap and rotor, probably tune up for this car. The rear here. The box truck over there behind this shed. Some doors. So which one would you restore, guys? This one's a mud bog racer. Then there's a few cars in the garage we haven't even got to yet. But look, it's like totally loaded up with stuff. Huge vehicle. this back down over here. Guess they were blocking it for some reason. Right, there it is, guys. A yard full of K5 Blazers and AMC Eagles, SX4s, and a wagon. So guys, follow me on YouTube and like and share my videos. Hundreds of classic car videos, finding classic cars all over Long Island, New York. Have a good day, guys.